This is a professional looking dashboard, and it only took me a few minutes to create it, and I didn't use a single formula. This is agent mode in Excel, a total game changer. Now I know this phrase is overused these days, but I think this one's a winner. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create dashboards like this with ease, plus 4 other super useful examples of how to get the best out of agent mode that will save you hours every week. To get started with agent mode, click the Copilot icon and select agent mode from the tools menu. Usually building a reporting dashboard is hard work, but with agent mode you can describe exactly what you need. I'm asking the agent to analyze the expenses and build a full dashboard. I want it to track spending by category and department and compare it month-to-date performance. Even write a summary of cost risks and opportunities to save money. Within a few minutes, it puts together this amazing presentation-ready dashboard just as described. It's created a new sheet with the dashboard, which contains the data, insights, and the charts. How quick and easy was that? Now, a dashboard is only as good as the data behind it. But we all know, in the real world, data is not as clean as this. Well, not always, anyway. If you get a file full of hashtag reference errors like this, don't waste time hunting them down. Use this prompt in agent mode. Not only will it repair the logic, but it will also log what it has changed so you can audit it later. And look at this, as if by magic, it's fixed my spreadsheet. It has also created a repairs log so I can easily see what has been fixed. So we've fixed the data, but what happens when we need to find information that's not on our spreadsheet? Maybe we need to do some web research. But watch what happens when we stay inside Excel. Agent mode has a live connection to the web. Here I've got a list of tech companies and I need to find key details like ownership types. In the past, I might Google these one by one to find the information, but not with agent mode. With this simple prompt, it will search the web for me. But I'm also adding a twist. I've asked it to include a confidence rationale for every row. This tells me how reliable Copilot is and why the agent chose that data. Notice how it even handles discrepancies between sources automatically. In a professional setting, that kind of transparency is everything. So far, we have looked at how to use agent mode in Excel to build dashboards, clean errors, and to do web research. I have just 2 more amazing use cases to show you. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a like so it can reach more people. Have you ever got a CSV file like this, or any type of Excel file, that needs a total overhaul? The dates are wrong, there are duplicates, and the text formatting is inconsistent. I'm using this prompt to standardize the whole sheet. I'm asking it to fix the date formats to UK style, tidy up the text fields, and remove any duplicates. It recognizes the patterns and returns clean data with a summary of exactly what was fixed. Now let's take a look how agent mode handles the ultimate challenge. Multi-sheet financial modeling. This is where the agent's multi-step reasoning really shines. I have separate tabs for budget, forecast, and actuals. I'm asking the agent to match items across all 3 sheets and produce a full variance summary. I've told it to highlight overspends in red and create concise insight section explaining the largest differences. It even builds a small chart showing the top variances, so the outliners jump off the page. I said at the beginning of this video that agent mode is a game changer. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments below. And tell me, what video do you want me to make next? My name is Tony. This is Ready Steady Excel. See you next time.